Ken coming at you from Ken.com. 1970 Pontiac Firebir, a true Phoenix. Rodan. Getting a transmission rebuilt, and I have put in the low reverse piston and the spring. It was very difficult, guys. I'm telling you, if you ain't got the right tools, you're gonna have a hell of a time getting that in there. But it's in there and it works. I did some testing, put some air in it, and it pushed back, and it did push back. So the next thing I'm gonna do is what he said. I'm gonna follow exactly what he said do. He said, go and get this planetary gear, whatever this thing is. Put some oil on it. I've already done that. And then take the gear, make sure it'll turn, and the lip side, well, this side right here, you'll see this part here goes down. He said to take this and put it in there, and it should go down on there. So I'm gonna take this, put this down like this. Okay, that is down. And I'll take this and put this down in the center. Be careful you don't drop it. You may damage something. Maybe even damage the bearing. See how that bearing comes out of there? I'm going to take mine and put it on here. And it should stick. It is sticking. The bearing down on there. These things are precision instruments, guys, so you got to be careful with them. Slip down in there. Oh no, not this one. No, it's not this one. It's this one. Right. Sorry about that, guys. It's this one. See how you can mess up stuff? Take this one and put it down. I was wondering how come it didn't go in there. It's the gold one. They said check for cracks and all that stuff. It's like I said, this transmission is practically brand new. I've had this thing for a long time. And he said to spin it like that, and it should spin. Then he said take this one, do the same thing. That should go there. He said to check all these side plays. I've checked them all, but you know. He also said to take that sun gear and put it in there and make sure it rotates. I've done that, and he said to grease this up. I'll grease that one up in there. There's a gear and there's a bearing in there. Put the bearing on here. Pop that on there like that. And then this shit goes down inside here. Should. There you go. So now that you've done all that, now he said the next thing is to take these, what do you call these things? He called them something. He didn't call them clutch rings. He called them something else. Friction or something like that. And take the one that's wavy. He mentioned it being wavy for some reason. That wavy. And to take this notch here. Some notch. There's a notch on here. Here they go. Take the notch on your left side. This is the bottom side of the transmission. And one at a time, take the wavy one first. Take the wavy one, mark it up with this third nut here, or whatever that thing is, and put it in like this. It's notched in there, and it goes here, and then there's another little tooth mark there, tooth mark there, tooth mark there. The tooth marks seem to line up pretty good. Then he said to take another steel and make sure that this mark is to your left, and put that on top of that one. Then take a friction, put that in there. He did mention that you should soak up your frictions, especially if you got some new ones, but these are fine. I didn't soak them up because they're already soaked up. And take another friction, not a friction but a steel, line it up with that same one down there. Right here, this is how I remember, this the third hole right here. Pop it in there. And also big hole on the right, little hole on the left. And it'll be right in the center. He said it's 6 o'clock, so this is 6 o'clock. And take another friction. And take another bar. And another friction. Another bar. Another friction. I'm just doing this for the kids. I'm not doing this for you guys to see, because you guys probably already know what to do. And if you don't, I'm just trying to encourage you that you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Well, the friction, so the friction should be last. So to take it and spin it, you can feel the resistance. Then he said after that, you know what, I don't know what he says after that, so I need to go take a look. I suppose that we can take a look at it on TV, see what happens after that. Guess it's raining out here, guys. Go check out the TV, see what it says, and I'll get back with you guys later. Can't coming at you.